Alright, there we go. Okay, it's John. So, as you can see, I'm at the i80 truck stop. It's the largest truck stop in North America. They claim the largest one in the world, but I don't know. I've seen some pretty big ones. Anyways, there's enough parking here for 500 trucks, I guess. So that's a bit of the outside. Well, let's go inside and see what's going on in there. All right, so we're just heading up the stairs. As you can see, they got a big Freightliner inside here. Look at that baby. Yeah, that's a nice Freightliner, eh? That's right inside the building. So these are all products one can buy while you're here. They used to have another one down at the far end. Oh, they still do. It's a little guy, just a truck. It's on a rotating turntable. Oh yeah, I mean, anything you want from soup to nuts they have here. This is lots of pretty lights. If you're into pretty lights, they got lots of pretty lights. Okay, so we're just coming down here. I just want to show this other truck here. Look at that, eh? And like I said, this is inside the truck stop. Look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? And if you come over here, you come outside at the other end, right out there is the museum for the trucks. And more parking over here, more parking over there, more parking over here. Wow, crazy. Well, hang on. There's inside of that truck. It's pretty sharp, eh? So they have auto socks here for your tires. Fenders galore, caps. You got horns, the train horns, stacks. Oh, look at it. Isn't that pretty? Got all kinds of different things for your hood. It's pretty sharp. Anyways, we'll go on up. Oh, there's more sections over here. There's clothing. All kinds of stuff. If you're into a different kind of clothing. One of my favorite sections is audiobooks. If you're a truck driver, you definitely want to get into these audiobooks. They're great. Good examples. Spell Singer. Number 7. It's 6 hours. It's a book. And gives you 6 hours of listening. So, all right, let's go up to the next section. That's just the bottom section. All kinds of, if you're into knives and stun guns and apparel. This is all the sporting section, but this is all the clothing. As you can see, there's quite the slew of stuff. I'm just quickly going through this. I mean, you know, you can, if you ever get a chance to come down here, there's just so much to do, so much to see. Oh, that's cute. A moose.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go up to the food area. More toys for the kids. All kinds of stuff here. I might have to do this in 3 segments because I think I hit the wrong button. So, and I don't have there's more apparel and more stuff over there, and so I'm gonna be purchasing in about 2 minutes since I'm done this. That coffee mug, that's the one I'm purchasing. I just want to show you one other vehicle in this. There's the back end of one. Oh yeah, the trucking museum. They got this Dodge. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. Alright, now I'll show you this other one, and then I'll just start downloading, uploading, and look at that baby, eh? Isn't that awesome? Other food, of course, and all that. So anyways, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and the notification, because I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, we'll talk to you later. Bye.